And yes, this achievement is a reflection of my effort and my virtues. Okay, now I want you to think of something new you can do. It does not matter how big or small it is. The qualities you used to get there come to mind. You might have been very disciplined. You might have been brave and left your comfort zone. To fix a problem, you might have used your wisdom. Take a moment to recognize the traits that led to the accomplishment, no matter what it is. You're not supposed to pat yourself on the back during this exercise. Instead, it's meant to help you see the truth about your character and work. Adopting this stoic habit can change how we see our own wins and how we see ourselves. It helps us stop being fake humble and start really appreciating our own strengths and skills. It teaches us that recognizing our accomplishments is about recognizing the virtues we've displayed and the hard work we've put in, not about our egos.